Okay, so on this bottle brush, we want to shape it up and get it off of the roof. There's about 3 big branches that are up on the roof, and we'll take those out. And then we want to kind of shape it, whatever's left, we're going to shape back up. So we're okay with taking the overall size down as long as we can kind of manicure it a little. This guy we were going to trim. We're going to cut a quarter chunk out so it's off the roof as well. And then we're going to shape everything up. We can get that out of the sunlight. And it's got a good base, it's just a little bit leggy. So none of this stuff should be too terribly difficult. We're gonna get it, there's part of that semicircle we're gonna cut out. You can see. And this guy we're gonna shape up too, which, I don't know, maybe some type of a loose semicircle. And again, all these debris we've got permission to dump. All right, that's it. We're gonna go ahead and email that quote out tonight. See, this one's a little tough for me. This is about the best angle that we're looking at here. And I've got this stuff over here that would help the shape better, but it would just be completely bare. To see how much volume is on this branch, and if it were gone, it'd be a huge bare spot. So I think that may just be the best that I can do for that one. And if we want that one taken off, I'll just come by and cut it out. Man, but it sure does stick out, doesn't it? I'm gonna take it. It's just too low. That's the top of a pine tree. That was going crazy.